Welcome to part 3 of this video where I'm going to show you this one. And this is the one that I used to have, which is a completely different brand and company. But anyway, this thing here from AT&T might be able to charge this. Let's see if it does. I'm getting something out of it. You see, the screen kind of came on. So that means that it runs, that it works. Now, the reason why this Samsung Galaxy S is capable of doing wireless charging is because I found this really cool thing that you can stick in there and then glue onto the back of your phone. And you see this was also AT&T. And it allows you to have wireless charging on older technology. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Well, I think so. I think so. You can turn your old devices into that. But it only works on Android, which is really sad. I wish they had this for Apple, but whatever, man.
Likey.